We need a stand for our dress and prosthetic form. A good stand needs to have a good base. Heavy and wide's a great start. We don't have any bags of cement around, but do have heavy hedge stumps. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. Also check out the other disabled creator in the description. Heavy is hard to move, so a wagon and a ramp makes less hard work. I found some big lag screws that'll make good adjustable feet. But this thing's going inside, so it needs feet that won't scratch the floor. Ugh. Inky joys of fountain pens. Measuring the bolt head and doodling a foot design that doesn't matter directionally. CAD time! Super fast CAD and slicing. I use free CAD for design. It's the best free software I've used. Better than some paid programs. Cura is my go-to for print slicing software. Should get a way to film prints. Remember to like and subscribe, it helps the channel grow. Roundy, roundy. Those will do nicely. We'll get the feet installed now. I slammed the log on the floor to find spots that would contact the floor. Going to put the feet at those spots. Angling the holes to make it a bit wider and less prone to tipping. Oh, snap. Lag screw broke. Get the rest in, then find the vice grips. We're in luck, it worked. Making it not wobble is why we're using the screws. Adjust and repeat until it stops wobbling. Feet fit good after peeling some bark off. Now I'm finding a pipe and matching drill bit. It's very important to drill your hole as square as possible. Can't use a square on an organic shape. I started crooked and didn't see till halfway. Tried to correct it, it didn't work well. But hey, adjustable feet. I'll straighten it out when the body form is on it.